Well, it has been a particularly awesome day because my cousin came and installed a, uh, a ramp for my wheelchair, which means freedom is this much closer. I'm stuck living in my brother's house because my bus RV is extremely difficult to get in with crutches and a wheelchair, if not impossible. I've actually got a wheelchair ramp on the back of the bus, but still, I've got a bed in the way. Anyway, it's difficult, and I'm stuck here, and I'm dependent on my brother and sister-in-law and my nephew to carry me around. But this ramp is going to allow me to get to my truck. So I'm going to park my truck right over here and be able to come and go as I please. Be able to go see the prosthetic guy, be able to go run errands, be able to do my thing. And that's extraordinarily important to me, and it has been since I was in my teens, having freedom to move and go where I want to. That's why I got into motorcycles in the first place, because I could get a cheap motorcycle at 14 where I couldn't buy a car, and I couldn't even drive a car, but I could ride a motorcycle. And I've always been, my mindset has always been around vehicles. So I've always had a car or two. I've always had a motorcycle or two. Just in case one breaks, I got a backup. And I'm not sure if anybody understands how important that is to me. But yeah, I make a joke about freedom, but really freedom, independence. I mean, that's what my life is all about. And I'm fairly dependent on my family right now. And I don't like it. I don't like having to depend on people. I don't like to ask for favors. I hate it. I was telling my cousin when he was installing the ramp, I'm uneasy and uncomfortable accepting charity, but I'm getting better at it. And I appreciate all the charity coming from my viewers, my family, my friends. I appreciate all of it, but it makes me uncomfortable. I want to be independent. I want to do my own thing. And this is one step closer. So it's been a good day.